Y'all hear me? Tripping out.
Oh yeah, that was a trip where y'all had the whole world sing. Nah. Let's see if the dog father working on this here trip. Check this out. Everybody say
Wolf God lover, Wolf God lover. Waiting up, playing, got your game on the stage. Wolf God lover, Wolf God lover. Waiting on playing and I'm jumping off the stage. Like what up, Mr. Gotcha? You know, tripping, streaming soldiers
just to get it over. Influenced by the aggravating the rollers, causing company closures, messing over the sober. Come on, should've told you I ain't nothing nice. The Snoop brought the ball, I got the smoke to get you right. I put it on my life and my favorite herbal pipe. Soldier Creed with eyes, watch me live in the night. I'm capital F5.
You're in the back, I got you. Tripping off, I got you over the somebody.
Do something that's loose with a 9-hole. Snoop and his soldiers, gon' make it say
Wolf God lover, Wolf God lover. God man here got you playing on the stage. Wolf God lover, Wolf God lover. Got you over here now I'm playing on the stage. Wolf God lover, Wolf God lover. Got you over here now I'm playing on the stage. Wolf God lover, Wolf God lover. Well, you're over there playing on the stage.
I'm really wanna do when we come round,
Trip down, wanna get down. You see I'm over here with you now. We up in No Limit of the Album. New Orleans, I'm tripping at the river. I'm living on it right. If you got me, I got a master key. I'm tripping off you right.
Yeah, you know what I like.
I'm flipping all night. Drink and drunk drive. Trip out on my phone, you're like pulled over right. Gotta keep good DUI now, drinking up fight. Locked up the cell, I'm found. I ain't do that, I got you back now. Did I do that? I was hot. All days up that line, now see the state of shine. Think I'm tripping on flipping on it, I got you deep ride.
We gotta wait on the radio for my albums to drop.
I got you tripping, rockin' on the left rockin'. Soon as the way tripping off enough money to run with. Till you hear this last flip, we ain't done yet. Wolf God lover, Wolf God lover. Yeah, I'm over here out playing on the stage. Wolf God lover, Wolf God lover. Well, I'm over here waiting playing on the stage. Wolf God lover, Wolf, Wolf, Wolf. Wow, you over there on the stage. Hey, Wolf God lover, Wolf. Wolf, wow, yippee-yo. You come faster than I'll ride you far enough to the trip and pull it. You think I'm over here starting to car, I'm drunk and driving out the window. You can call me what you want, don't think it's VIP punk. You tripping over me and I got the I got a man that's Snoop Dogg funk. I put this shit down, I'm clown, dog pound is my set. You want to step on mine, I got you on mine. I'm tripping out there, God man.
Break their neck, but that's how it goes down. You gon' realize that.
See if I'll jump up in your face, I'm running around with it, just like that. Oh, you think I'm flipping fools down, way too cool. I got you over there, me cool. Just the fucking fool,
I can
tripping silly. Got you over there on the clean version of the
smack, cause I'm trying to back with the homeboy Mr. Callan Fiend and my homeboy Master P. Cause that's just the way that just gon' be, baby, N-O-L-I-M-I-Z.
I got you in the soup, you tripping over the
everybody in the house. Let me hear you say
Wolf God lover, Wolf God lover. Got you over here and I'm playing on your stage. Wolf God lover, Wolf God lover. Now I'm over here, now I'm playing on your stage. Wolf God lover, Wolf, Wolf, Wolf. Wow, you be yelling on the stage. Yeah, we be playing on your stage. Yeah, they already messing with me though. Kinda. No, they don't. I think you're just getting late news, Snoop. How are you even on here anyways? Are you on a computer or are you sleeping? I know you're not No Limit No More either though, so don't trip on me. Huh?
Every time you look around, it don't stop.
Man, Snoop, why you gotta be all hating? It's just the first run. Man, Snoop Dogg was just straight hating. He was like, No Limit don't like you. Maybe they do.